Are you experiencing lag and FPS drops on your PC while gaming? These problems often arise when the CPU is overloaded with too many processes, threads, and tasks running simultaneously. In this video, I'll show you how to fix this issue. After applying these settings, your gaming experience will improve significantly. So don't forget to hit the like button and make sure to subscribe. Let's get started. Open the Windows search bar, type Registry, and click on Registry Editor. Go to the following path: H key local machine, then System, then Current Control Set and Control. Find the key called SVC Host Split Threshold in KB. Double-click on it and change the value based on how much RAM your system has. For example, if your computer has 16 GB of RAM, set the value to 1 million. Use the RAM to value chart for reference. After entering the correct number, click OK and close the registry editor. Go to Settings, then Privacy, and look for the Windows Permissions section. Here, you can disable features that you don't need. Start by clicking on General and turning off all permissions. Then go to Speech and switch it off completely. Next, under Inking and Typing Personalization, disable the personalization feature to stop it from collecting and using your typing data. In the Diagnostics and Feedback section, review the options and turn off anything unnecessary to reduce the amount of data being shared or stored. After that, move on to App Permissions to customize the features your apps can access. Turn off permissions for things you don't use, such as location, camera, microphone, and contacts. Additionally, disable access to less commonly used features like phone calls, call history, email, and messaging. Disabling these permissions not only improves your privacy, but also reduces the resources your system uses, making your computer run smoother and more efficiently. Let's move on to disabling unnecessary services. To do this, press the Windows key and R at the same time, then type in Services SC. This will open a list of services that are running in the background and increasing the number of processes on your computer. We'll go through these and turn off the ones that are not needed, such as Connected User Experiences and Telemetry. This service sends your usage and diagnostic data to Microsoft. If you don't want that, simply right-click on it, go into Properties, and change the startup type from Automatic to Disabled. Afterward, click Apply and then OK. Another service to disable is Downloaded Maps Manager. If you don't use maps on your PC, you can safely turn this off. Similarly, if you don't use a printer, you can disable the Print Spooler service. Windows Biometric Service is for laptops with fingerprint scanners, so if you're using a desktop like I am and don't need it, feel free to disable it. Below that, you'll find the Windows Insider Service, which provides early access to new Windows versions. If you're not signed up or interested in that, go ahead and disable it as well. You can go through the list of services and turn off any that you don't need. However, be cautious and do your research before disabling services. For example, some people disable Bluetooth, but later realize they actually use it. If you disable the Bluetooth service, the functionality will stop working, so be sure to check what each service does before turning it off. A bit of research here can save you from running into issues later. Now guys, you need to download the System Optimization Pack on your PC. You can download it from my official website. After download, extract it on your desktop and first open this Windows Optimization folder and install all these files on your PC. These files are automatically fix your Windows registries. After that, open this Tool folder and run this application called Optimizer. The first step in the Optimizer is the General tab. There, you'll find settings for System, App, Privacy, and Disk Drive settings. In the System tab, make sure to enable all the settings, as this will help optimize Windows and disable unnecessary background services and programs. Turn on options like Optimize Performance, show all notification icons, remove menu delay, optimize network, disable error reporting, disable Compatibility Assistant, and disable printer services. Also, disable sticky keys, smart screen, and everything else by clicking on the respective buttons. Next, on the App tab, ensure all settings are enabled. In the Privacy tab, enable all settings as well. Under the Disk Drive options, disable Superfetch and Hibernation, while leaving the other settings at their default values. If you're using Windows 10 or 11, you'll see a tab specific to your version. Inside, you'll find various settings like System, Privacy, Gaming, and Windows Update. In the Gaming section, turn on Game Mode, disable Xbox Live, and disable the Game Bar. In the Privacy tab, disable Telemetry Service, Cortana, Enhanced Privacy, News and Interests, Smart Menu Ads, Edge Toolbar, and Edge Discover. Once these settings are disabled, move on to the System tab, where you can disable people, sensors, and virtualization-based security if they are enabled. If you aren't using these features, disabling them will help improve performance. Now, go to the Windows Update tab. If you want to stop Windows from automatically updating in the background, you can disable automatic updates. However, I leave this setting enabled to keep my system up to date. Once you've completed all the settings, click the Restart button to apply the changes. To get started with GearupBooster, download the tool from the official website using the link in the description. After downloading, install it on your PC. Once installed, you'll see the GearupBooster interface. The first thing you'll need to do is log in with your Facebook or Google account. On the Home tab, you'll find all the games installed on your PC. If you go to the Games tab, you can browse thousands of games available for optimization. To optimize your network and FPS, return to the Home tab and select the game you want to boost. For example, I'll select Fortnite. Click the Boost button, and the tool will begin optimizing the game. It will automatically find the best server for you. Next, you'll need to choose your server region. Select the nearest server for the best connection. In my case, the middle server works best. After selecting the server, close the window. Now go to the Not tab, where you'll see a list of servers available in the Middle East. Choose the nearest one or let GearUp automatically pick the best server for you. I recommend setting it to Automatic for the best results. Finally, close the window and launch your game using GearupBooster. This will help you optimize Fortnite or any other game for lower ping and higher FPS. Now guys, press Windows key plus R to open the Run dialog box. Type temp and press Enter to access your temporary Windows files. Once inside, press Ctrl plus A to select all files, and then hit Delete to remove most of them. Don't worry if some files can't be deleted, that's completely normal. Next, open the Run box again. Type %temp and press Enter. This will take you to another folder containing temporary files. Repeat the process, Ctrl plus A, then delete. Again, some files may not be deleted, which is expected. Another final step you can try is to de-animate Windows for better performance. To do this, open the search bar and type in Adjust. You'll then see an option called Adjust the Appearance and Performance of Windows. Click on it and go to Settings of Performance tab. To optimize performance, you'll want to change it to Adjust for Best Performance. When you make this change, it will deselect all the visual effects, but we still want to maintain some basic functionality. Therefore, you should re-enable a few settings such as Animate Windows when minimizing and maximizing, Save Taskbar Thumbnail Previews, Show Thumbnails instead of icons, Show Window Contents while dragging, and Smooth Edges of Screen Fonts. In my opinion, these are the best settings to retain while ensuring basic functionality. After making these adjustments, don't forget to click Apply and then press OK. So guys, that was today's video. Hit the like button, make sure to subscribe. Peace out.